Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Alam niyo naman po yun kasi hindi naman to personal reading. Pero, anyway, kung hindi mag-relate or mag-resonate sa'yo, okay lang. May mga next reading pa naman tayo. Okay? So, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libras. Let's start your reading. You do have the Queen of, the King of Wands, the Moon, Ace of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. Okay. So for what I can see here, no, I am seeing a soulmate energy. Okay, may person na might be this is your soulmate na currently umiiwas at lumalayo itong taong ito. Maybe facing itong kanyang new beginnings. Maaaring may mga new beginnings siya tutuunan ng pansin ngayon. And then this person is very quiet, no? So may silent mode sa inyong dalawa nitong taong ito. This person is thinking of you. Might be someone na businessman. I can say a businessman, businesswoman kind of energy, or might be a teacher or someone na with the emperor, pwedeng nasa mataas din siyang position, no? But anyway, okay lang naman kahit hindi. Yeah, I can see a teacher, someone na nagwo-work sa managerial position. So, pwedeng ganun. Or someone na may charity. I can see someone na mahilig tumulong sa kapwa. So, maybe some kind of charity. Yun yung mga nakuha natin doon. But anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Kahit walang ganun yung person mo. Anyway, so nakikita natin this person really wants to for you, no, ikaw ang mag-take actions. And kasi kung siya hindi talaga. But this person is really thinking of you. Lagi kang iniisip nitong taong to. This soulmate connection is parang sa ngayon, nakakakita ako ng scissor. So maybe kina-cut off or may disconnection sa inyo nitong taong ito. Ano yung gusto niya mangyari? There's this King of Swords and Two of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. Magician is here and the Six of Swords. Actually, gusto niya ay mag-move on and mag-focus sa kung ano man itong career niya, no? With the King of Swords. Some of you, itong taong ito is thinking about the future with the Eight of Cups. Kung nandun pa ba yung future, kung may future pa ba sa inyong dalawa, I mean. And this person is thinking kung magkakaroon ba ng future sa inyo and kung iniisip mo rin ba siya. Parang ganun. And with the Magician, this person is focusing sa kanyang skills or development. So, yun yung gusto niya mangyari. Mag-focus sa kanyang development, sa kanyang skills. Maybe may kinalaman sa mga bagong pinagkakabalahan niya nga na may kinalaman sa pera. And this person wants to move on, to focus on ano pang naghihintay sa future niya. at kailangan maging ready siya doon. So, masyado siyang focus sa future. So, hindi ko alam kung, I mean, you would know, no? Kasi itong person na to, lagi siyang dati nung may communication pa sa inyo. Laging more on future yung binabanggit niya, no? And, ano yung gusto niya sabihin? For Libras, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. So, anong gusto niya sabihin? I'm afraid to contact you. So, hindi nga siya okay. Parang, hindi siya okay na siya yung unang makikipag-connect or communicate. My life is not as together as it seems. Maybe, hindi pa, para sa kanya, no, hindi pa maganda yung balita. Kung just in case siya yung may makikipag-communicate, wala pa naman ako maganda sasabihin sa'yo. So, I am afraid to contact you. Kasi, wala akong masasabi. Kung just in case magbabanggit ka ng anything, na balita, na maganda, etc., wala pa naman masyado. No? I remember every detail of that day. So, this person always remembers you. Lagi ka niya naaalala. Lagi ka talaga niya naaalala. And we do have here, we need to let each other go. So, I told you, this person is trying to move on. No? And maybe, this person loves you. We do have here, I love you at the bottom of the deck. Pero, tinatry niyang pigilan or tanggalin yung emotions na yon. And so, that's why, yung person na to, thinks na mas okay ngayon siguro na i-let go na lang muna natin yung isa't isa. Okay? Tell me more. I'm starting to understand our connection, which is very special kasi nga may soulmate connection sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Alam niya na may soulmate connection sa inyong dalawa and iintindihan niya yun. Okay? Ayan o. At the bottom of the deck, I can't stop thinking about you. So, hindi niya talaga mapigilan. Lagi niya talaga ikaw naaalala. And I feel you even though you are or we are apart. Okay? I know that I crossed the line with you. So, ayun. Maybe there's this connection dito na parang intense na hindi pwedeng basta i-connect dahil maybe may mga maaapektuhan for some of you. And I feel like this person medyo lumagpas siya dun sa hangganan ng connection ninyo in the past, and iniisip niya na alam niyang sobra or mali yung ginawa niya or yung inisip niya or sinabi niya, but then this person maybe ngayon naiintindihan niya na mali nga yun, but that's why mas gusto niyang i-let go na lang muna yung connection ninyo. Okay, kasi nga mali or maybe there's someone here na may religion or kultura or maybe another person na involved or maybe children with the Page of Pentacles na involved. So that's why. What will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What will happen in the near future for Libra? Ace of Pentacles is here. Ten of Wands. Page of Cups. And one more card. Ace of Swords. And dalawang aces ang nakikita natin dito, which is maganda siya actually because I can see new beginnings with the ace. So that's number 1. May mga new beginnings dito. I can see new love. Maybe new love na parang maybe dati ng tao or dati ng person na eto hindi naman natin sinabing new love na may kinalaman sa relationship. Pwede new love, I can see a new baby coming and maybe sa family. So may mga nakikita akong bagong baby, no? Namamahalin ng lahat. And nakakakita rin ako dito ng new beginnings na pwede may kinalaman sa pera. Maybe medyo magiging mabigat na responsibilidad ito for you, but I feel like you are healthy enough. No, parang nasa tamang katatayuan ka, nasa tamang katawan ka ngayon or kaayusan ng buhay mo ngayon. Kaya kung ano mang hirap ito, makakayanan mo ito. No, with the Page of Cups. You are the Page of Cups. You can handle everything. No? And what will be the outcome nitong aces na ito, which is the new beginnings for you? Ano yung magiging outcome niya para sa'yo? You do have your Two of Swords. So, yeah, there's a decision. But you do have your the Queen of Swords. Four of Swords and the Page of Swords. Five of Swords. For some of you, you need to do something about this. Kasi in order for you na makuha mo yung new beginning, kailangan meron kang desisyon na kailangan mo nang gawin. Maybe something na kailangan mo tapusin or i-cut off. You need to decide. You need to be the Queen of Swords here. Kailangan mo magdesisyon. Kailangan mo i-cut off kung ano man ito. I feel like wala kang magawa sa ngayon with the Four of Swords. And the outcome for you is that may takot, may gagawin mang action regarding doon sa kailangan mong i-cut off, ay parang may takot pa rin regarding dito. Okay? Something is stopping you para maggawa ng action or decision in the near future. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. Doon lang ako magla-live guys sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, at saka dun sa isa kong channel which is Madam P Vlogs. Doon mo ako abangan, okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.